Hi guys, my name is Carlos, and in this video I'm going to create external tables in an Azure Synapse Analytics. I'm going to link this external table to the Azure Data Lake storage. So first, in order to create the data lake resource, I need to enable the hierarchical namespace in the storage account. I'm going to review and create the storage account, type data lake storage. I'm going to hit finally and create. I'm going to create the Synapse Analytics resource. I'm going to hit create. I'm going to put the name. Okay, first, in order to create the resource, I need to register the resource provider for this subscription. So I need to wait for the registering of the resource provider. It finished registering the resource, so I'm going to continue creating the Synapse workspace. I need to create a name for the data lake. I hit in OK. I'm going to create a file system. It's going to be wow. I'm going to assign myself the storage blob data contributor role on the data lake storage account. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to specify the user and the password. I'm going to hit okay, everything is okay. I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to hit next and create. So one is created. You can click here in the Synapse resource, analytic resource. You can see here the built-in SQL pool. You can create here Apache Spark pools too. So everything is in place. The first thing that I'm going to do is to open the Synapse Studio. This is going to take a while. Here in the develop tab you can create a script, a SQL script, and here I'm going to paste all these commands. I'm going to connect to my built-in SQL pool. Here I'm going to name this as Carlos Lab. Okay, so first I'm going to create the database. This is going to be the database in the serverless pool. Then I'm going to run the create master key encryption by password. And this command is going to create a database master key, and this key will be used to protect the shared asset signature that we need to create later in the storage account. I click run. Okay, first I need to select the database that we just created, and I need to run this command on this database. I hit run. It successfully executes. Then I need to create the shared access signature in my data lake resource. So I'm going here to the data lake resource. I'm going to create a shared access signature. I'm going to hit the respective level. I'm going to create this just for the blob resource. I'm going to hit all the buttons here. I'm going to just assign the read and release permissions. So everything is okay. I'm going to generate the SAS. Here I'm going to copy the SAS token and I'm gonna paste it here. I need to erase the first signal. Then I'm going to run this command. It's okay. It's executed successfully. The next thing that I'm going to do is to define the source of the data. Here I'm going to create the external data source. I need to specify the name of the data lake. Here I'm going to reference this CSV file. This contains logs for my subscription. You can download for the monitor tab. So in order to do that, I need to go to my data lake overview. I need to copy the name of the storage account and I need to paste it over here. So this is going to reference the CSV file. I'm going to run this command and it's executed successfully. The next thing that I'm going to do is to reference my external file format. I need to specify in which row this is going to take the data. So the first row is the header. I need to take the data in the second row. I need to specify the field terminator. This is going to be the delimited. So next I need to create my external table. The CSV table is going to save all the columns in the string format, so I need to map with the correct type of column. So I'm going to run this command. It's executed successfully. I'm going to run the next command. Is executed successfully. So finally I'm going to select all of my table. It seems there is an error in the location, so I'm going to see here if match the location with this specification. Okay. So here I'm going to, this is a command for drop the table, but I'm not going to test it. I'm going to select all the data from my log data. I'm going to run. This is going to take a while. It's retrieving the data for the external data lake resource. And finally you can see here all the columns from my data. This is all for now. I hope you are okay. See you in the next video.